Good day. Today I would like to talk about the tokenomics of high dollar. As you guys know, I am a big fan of the project and have invested a chunk of my cash on it, but I still think there is a major issue with high dollar's tokenomics. And the issue is relatively simple. The maximum supply. According to the high team, the supply of high dollars will be based on the membership growth of high. This basically means that the supply adjusts accordingly as it grows. And these rewards can be claimed daily for 4 years. They started recently in May 2021. Now it is only November 2021. At the moment there are already 1.6 million users and 580 million high dollars in circulation. So in just over 6 months and they have gathered 1.6 million users. Impressive, but here lies the crux of the problem. The vast supply of high dollars in the market. It is just basic mathematics. The bigger the supply, the lower the price, because the supply might outstrip the demand. Yes, I agree that more users in their network would mean more demand for the high dollar token. More users holding onto their tokens would definitely help the price. Furthermore, it generates more interest in their network. I understand all these. However, if you were to look at it another way, how about the vast supply of the token? Note that there are already 580 million tokens out there. I repeat, 580 million tokens. Their market cap would be $400 million now. So with that estimated 1 billion users, how many high dollar tokens will we see at the end? Reminder that they are looking for 1 billion users and the rewards can be claimed for 4 years. Furthermore, members can purchase the tokens directly from high without the need to go into the open market. All these add pressure to the supply and in turn might massively reduce the price. I am no genius, but it is quite easy to see the problem here. The price of the high dollar token is currently at $0.7. Will the vast supply cause it to go even lower? Just imagine if the number of high dollar tokens in the market is 10 billion. If they manage to keep at the same price of $0.7, that would mean a mind-boggling market cap of $7 billion. That would make it one of the top 30 largest cryptocurrency in the world. If it reaches 100 billion tokens and with the price of $0.7, that would make high dollar bigger than ADA's market cap. Is that even possible considering how well positioned and how well developed Cardano is? Most people have heard of Cardano. High dollar is still a relative unknown at this point. Can it really gain that kind of traction to oust Cardano or the other big cap coins? I feel it is not good news for members who invested early into the project as well. I mean, that is the point of investing early into a young project, right? You take the bigger risk and hopefully get a bigger reward in return. I too would want the price of high dollar to be way higher than $0.7. If we were to look at the history of the price of high dollar, it has been fluctuating wildly between $1 and 40 US cents. I know that price of cryptocurrencies are volatile. This is a given. Any crypto trader will know this. But just look the chart. The high dollar token has been in a downtrend since it was launched, only to be punctuated by a sudden spike with yet another downtrend and big fall, and then it suddenly rises again. I don't know about you, but I think this is a clear sight there is something very wrong with the tokenomics. And the price of the high dollar tokens hardly follow the rest of the crypto markets as well. But then I am always a pessimist. I could be wrong and the demand for high dollars outstrip whatever supply there will be. And high dollar becomes one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. They certainly have financial muscle to back it up. As to whether they can succeed to overthrow two leaders, it remains to be seen. Furthermore, it does seem that their features are coming along as fine. I actually do feel that the high team is trying their best to push out services and features to their members as soon as possible. And they have a very well thought out plan, unlike some of the other crypto projects I have seen. They are growing very fast as well. 1.6 million users within 6 months is nothing to sneeze at. And apparently they have $3 billion earmarked for distribution to members according to some news article. Of course, this could just be the result of the lack of liquidity, and high dollars transition to the Binance Smart Chain might to solve this issue. The recent uptrend for the price of high dollars seem to suggest this is so. Don't we all love PancakeSwap? Anyway, this is the end of my rant. Just voicing my concern. Don't be too angry with me. And please like and subscribe. I make videos on cryptos and trading. Take care,